The process of returning to normalcy under Unlock 4 appears to have been taken up another notch as the government begins loosening its restrictions on the opening of tourist spots in the state. These tourist spots, opened on a trial basis, are Wards Lake, Nehru Park and Elephant Falls. But for now, these spots are open for local tourists only, and that too with much emphasis on the usual guidelines, social distancing, mask and hand hygiene. It is understood that the management of these tourist spots have been advised to follow the protocols strictly or be asked to close again. According to Mr. Lionel Nongklau, the General Secretary of Sanchnong Youth Welfare Association, the facilities at the Elephant Falls Tourist Centre were sanitized and prepared as per the standard operating procedures given by the government to make it a safe place for tourists. He also reiterated the fact that only local tourists were being allowed for the present to visit Elephant Falls, and that as of yesterday, 5 groups of tourists comprising of 16 to 17 people had visited the spot between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. He added that during the lockdown, youth of the 5 villages who served as staff at the falls had to attend to their duties there as per a special drafted roster to ensure the safety of the property and assets created in and around the tourist spot. He went to elaborate that the number of staff and working hours was significantly reduced to ensure the safety of the staff. On the subject of ensuring the safety of tourists and the implementation of health-related guidelines at the spot, the General Secretary informed that officials and guards have been stationed at strategic places to ensure that social distancing was being maintained by the tourists and that they adhere to hand hygiene and wearing of masks within the tourist spot.
Order ng sarkar ban plino ya kani Elephant Falls di hakalay ko itirik ni na purhol na sanitize perfect ada ba saka mani sa plane niya na ko condition kumbalong din kasi tingi dang yo dang san group kumba hat henry kan yung pi kandai hadu henry bisi kum ka order mengi ng sarkar kalong ban sha tangi di local tourist ha ki bra kini ki staff di bana kini ki santin ko sino ki hakan di ka for lockdown ru ki hab hi banwan duty sini nomor nimla ban i di property and assets dan kena control speed di hab ban bu da roster duty ka jing shani dan arko sangut staff boro dai hadin ba biasa ka ti ko se lockdown ila minimize na ya ka jingwan duty ila bu da rotation kamandar kono ngi jing sha pinjat kono jing sha nomor ba kani ka jaka kamdan ki ka proper fencing dan kaman up nama kadi ka ba he ti naki aman man lagi jaka ka bagian kaman up ni labu ini security staff bikin monitor bikin break di nomor kai nang bikin lumpen kan di kendon di SOP tu lah peserta dalam